Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about all the new sea creatures that you can catch in the Call of Whales update on July 11. So first is the adorable sea slug like this. It's a type of mollusk with a soft, squishy body and a cute bright blue appearance like this, making it one of the most unique creatures in this update. And then next is the Firefly Squid. It has a beautiful glowing effect and it's famous for having one of the most sophisticated camouflage system in nature, making it even more impressive than a chameleon in some situations. And you will also find the colorful Mandarin Fish, that one of the most beautiful fish that has a vibrant blue, orange, and colorful patterns like this. And then finally, there's the Scallop. Besides being a new collectible, it can also be used an ingredient for the new Cecil pearl cake recipe. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!